Let's do this quick POTS-friendly yoga class to stretch and strengthen our bodies all while lying down. So you can do this one lying on the floor or in bed, and we're going to start lying on our bellies. Legs are straight back behind you, and you can rest your forehead on the backs of your hands. Take a breath. Notice how you're feeling today. When you're ready, start to rock the hips from side to side. Keep going and make sure that you're breathing at a pace that feels comfortable for you while you do this. This movement helps to release tension in the lower back, and it also soothes the nervous system, and balancing the nervous system is so important if you have POTS. So this can help the body to calm down and relax. Let your movement come to a stop. Stay right here in this position, or you can bend the right knee and bring it up toward your right hip for an inner thigh stretch. You can adjust the intensity of that stretch by maybe lowering the knee away from the hip a little bit. See if that feels good. And we'll just rest here and breathe for a few moments. Let the breath be easy and natural. Straighten out that right leg, and then we'll take this on the other side so the left knee comes up. Inner thigh stretch on the left side. Take a few easy breaths at your own pace. Straighten the left leg. Come back to center. Now very slowly roll yourself over onto your back so that you're propped up on your forearms and elbows. Knees are bent, feet flat on the floor, so all 10 toes are pointing straight ahead. Ever so slightly dip the chin toward your chest. I really like this pose because it opens up the chest and shoulders without being a super intense back bend, which back bends can sometimes really aggravate our POTS symptoms, so this is a really nice alternative. Stay right here, or if you'd like to work your core a little bit, you can bring the right knee in toward your chest, then straighten it out. Inhale in, exhale, straighten, and just keep going at your own pace. Moving with your breath. Now the other side. Left knee comes in on the inhale, exhale, straighten. A few more times. Now bring that foot back, place it on the floor. And lower yourself all the way down onto your back now. Knees stay bent, or you can straighten them. Arms can be alongside the body, or if you'd like, you can give yourself a little hug. So the hands find opposite shoulders or opposite elbows, just hugging your upper body. Come home to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of the chest and belly. can rest here for as long as you would like. When you're ready, release the arms. Roll yourself over onto your right side. And take your time coming all the way up to sit. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you have enjoyed this class, please give it a thumbs up so it can reach more people. And check out the link below this video to come get some more free yoga classes and join our private community over at sleepysantosha.com.